Hey friends, I'm Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a 32-year-old wife and stay-at-home mom to my 6-month-old daughter Luna. I make weekly videos including cleaning, hauls, travel, and lifestyle. I'd love it if you would join my YouTube family, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Today I'm doing a clean and declutter of my bathroom. I have a bunch of postpartum products and a bunch of things I really don't use to get rid of today, and they've just been collecting dust in my bathroom. Don't forget to watch to the end to see my sparkly new bathroom. I'll also be showing you all the cleaning products that I like to use. You can also follow me on Instagram. My handle is at mrs.shelly.shoosh. You can follow me on Pinterest with the same name, Mrs. Shelly Shoosh. All of the organizing bins and shower caddies that I bought came from Dollarama. I probably spent about $20 to get everything organized again. So if you are ready to follow along with me, let's get started. Starting by pulling everything out and putting it onto a mat outside of my bathroom. Then I'll go throw away what's garbage, put things to the side that I want to keep, and then start organizing the little things into all the jars and bins that I bought. Now that I've finished decluttering all the things, I'm going to spray my entire bathroom with this Method anti-bac spray. You need to spray this at least 10 minutes before for the anti-bac to start working. Using my Dyson V6 to vacuum out all of the hair left over from all of my scrunchies and hairbrushes in all of these drawers. This is the Method all-purpose pink grapefruit spray. I love the way that this one smells. Now I'm just putting back all the organized bins, and I'm getting ready to enjoy my super clean bathroom. Does anyone else have way too many FabFitFun products that they just can't use in time for the next box to come out? Leave me a comment down below to let me know. Here I'm spraying this glass shelf with the Method glass cleaner. It smells like mint and I love it because it's super fresh and not overpowering. Bathroom felt so much lighter after this clean. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it by hitting the thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you want to follow me on my journey through motherhood. Again, you can follow me on Instagram at mrs.shelly.shoosh and on Pinterest as Mrs. Shelly Shoosh. I'll see you guys next week with a brand new video. Bye!